Yeah, maybe 10 are working. Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Maybe 10 are working and 5 are not working, then they will not be displayed. So we can use some option that if any data is not being displayed, then it should write 0 instead in that case.
Got it. Okay, first let me see this website, how it is working, and do the data extraction. Then we.
I will try to give you one more site. So we can have 3
Hmm,
sites, and then we can do the comparison. For example,
hmm.
USPS from this zip code to zip code, this weight, and these are the prices of each. It comes in the columns.
Okay.
In the beginning. Later on, we can make a website, and we can display in the website. I mean that on customer interactive.
Okay, got it. Hmm.
So this is the total project. I mean the idea. In the same way, we will work on in the same way for other items also. Like this is the shipping prices. In the
Huh.
other, it will be used cars, and then it will be T-shirts and things like that.
Yeah, sure.
That
It
that
will
way
be
we will.
helpful actually. So I
Yeah.
am also learning new thing. It is not like I'm becoming like that, but actually what is happening is it is taking some extra half an hour, 1 hour. That is what I was telling you. It's okay.
Yeah. You can. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
So I just want some more websites. Then I'll take understand like how data extraction can happen. I understood the full high level of it. Like we need to extract the lower cost from all of them. It has to compare. Apart
Mhm.
from courier, if some other courier thing is coming, we can only take it like total cost and compare it. That is what I was telling. Or
Mhm.
is that like some other delivery time is also will take it as consideration or something like that? Some other two factors also we can take other than courier. So what matters if it
Mhm.
is lower cost and number of days would be less? What matters if it is USP or if it is export or if it is USP next? Not sure how it works, but yes, we
Mhm.
can do in that way.
Mhm.
I just wanted to. Okay, it is for one working days. Okay,
Mhm.
understood. Okay. So this code, we will understand it in a fully high level once you go through it. As for my
Mhm.
knowledge, just run in your system and
Mhm.
just find it out how this is working. It will be very
Mhm.
easier for you to understand. Okay, but
Okay.
if in case you stuck it somewhere, I will create it in front of you. It will take much time. It won't take much
Mhm.
time. Like I will take some find element and element exist. It won't take much time like that. But
Mhm.
I just wanted to know that how it has worked. Just run in your system and do some research.
Mhm.
Okay. Just change the idx value, highlight it, how where it is coming on, means how it is like if you are
Mhm.
going inside element exist, that means you have the control of this whole table, means the first row. Because data scraping
Mhm.
is not working, how the logic is working is element exist means it is giving us the selectors. That
Mhm.
means this element will work from here. We are asking it.
Mhm.
Then we are using an if condition. If that element is present, then do a do while loop.
Mhm.
Understood my point, right? So this do
Mhm.
while loop will work till that this element's output is there. We'll create one
Mhm.
output something like data exist
Mhm.
or something like that. So this do while
Mhm.
loop will work until that data exist is there. This condition we are having,
Mhm.
you can use a while loop and check. So what we need to do is now if the condition, if this is present,
Mhm.
then we will use a find children activity to find out all the elements inside that uh, so that it can extract in then block. So what will happen? I just want to use find children here.
Mhm.
So if I use a find children here, what is the selectors that is coming? Okay. So
Mhm.
then we just
Mhm.
highlight it.
Mhm.
Okay. And here in the properties pane, we should have this thing, this all thing. Then we'll try to take an output variable so that it will help us to
Mhm.
find all the children of it. Okay, then all those output
Mm.
element as coming, then we want to use a get text activity. So in that get text activity, what it is doing is I just want to extract that first element from the selector itself. So instead of clicking and taking the selector, I will just try to take that li0 in element. li0. As I have done here, I'm showing you. This li0 has been taken. So instead of going there, it will grab the first element, what it sees here. So this is li0, this is li1, li2, li3. So do while loop will continue till it finds, till it sees from idx3 to 7. 7 is this. Okay, so it will run up to 6 times, means from 3 to 6. 7 is the highest. So we have to give a condition there that count has to be, should not be greater than equals to 6. So if this condition satisfies, it will do, and we should additionally give an add data row. This is a simple thing. But if you do it, then you will understand. And we are using a data variable, means report dt here, so that it will arrange everything in an ascending order. Okay. So this total cost, what you need to do is you don't have to remember, you just understand the code only. So this is an enumerable type, order by convert to double is like dot to string to double. So here you have to give the column header which we want to see in ascending order. We have given total cost. So ascending order, select text, copy to data table. So what it will create, like in this Excel table, whatever data we are looking on in, it will increase or it will decrease if you give the correct um, thing. Here you have given us ascending. So copy to data table means in the same data table, just copy that. So this is the syntax. You can copy it and paste it and find it in forum and then write range. So this is all about the thing that we have worked on. Later on phase,
Okay.
okay.
What
So,
I will do, I mean, that I will just repeat your class. First of all, I will download the XAML file and I will try to understand what is the workflow and then repeat your class and try to grasp some more